Hello, today we are doing a little bit of AC work on a 2015 Lincoln Navigator. The symptom that it was having was whenever we would turn the air conditioning system on, the vent fan, the cooling fan, the radiator fan, it's got several speeds up here, was racing like super high speed. So what come to find out, there is a little part right here, and I purchased a brand new one from Ford. This is the part number from Motorcraft. If you want to be able to take a look at it, that's what it's called. It's called a switch interrupter, and it ties into the air conditioning system. There's some additional information that came on it if you're looking for the same part. And what happens, it's sending a signal to the computer that there's a problem with the air conditioning system. They run a high pressure, low pressure, and so it thinks that there's an issue with the system getting hot, so it makes the fan run super high. So immediately when you turn the air conditioner system on, it runs. So right down here, and I'm about to show you where it's located, you can probably look on this line. I don't know if you'll be able to see it a little bit down inside this bay, but there is the, you can kind of see it right here. See how it's located? It's attached to the right to the bottom of that AC line, okay? Excellent. We'll kind of back it back out so you can see where it's positioned. You have to go in behind the radiator hose down, and you're going to have to go in here. I took the cover off the front. I even loosened this box. There's 4 bolts here, and I leaned this back because this cable right here is so heavy duty you can't move it to get a wrench in there. But if you can just get a wrench in the side and loosen it just a little bit, then you can be able to take it off hand tight. It's just one little bump on the wrench and it comes right off. So there's a switch down here that you have to unplug, and you'll feel it. Okay, you may get a little bit of puff whenever you disconnect it. And this is the old one, okay? You're just able to take it straight off. You can take the new one right here, and you can see we're going to thread it right on, and we're going to be back in business. So for everybody out there, this fixed it. This one part right here, and I replaced this little sensor located on the AC line. Literally, I bought it from Ford for about $10. I know it sounds like a lot for one part.
Wow.
But I had a quote literally for $2,200 from Ford to replace the entire air conditioning system and the compressor, when in fact it was this little sensor sending unit that was sending the wrong data back to the computer, telling it to run the fan super high. And after swapping out this one part, we're back in business, cold AC blowing, we're good to go.